This month is a training. What are the nights of this ummah supposed to be? Sleep the whole night? كانوا قليلا من الليل ما يهجعون وبالأسحار هم يستغفرون والذين يبيتون لربهم سجدا وقياما أمن هو قانت آناء الليل ساجدا وقائما يحذر الآخرة ويرجو رحمة ربه ومن أهل الكتاب أمة قائمة يتلون آيات الله آناء الليل وهم يسجدون تتجافى جنوبهم عن المضاجع يدعون ربهم خوفا وطمعا. Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam commanded directly, وَمِنَ اللَّيْلِ فَتَهَجَّدْ بِهِ نَافِلَةً لَكَ وَمِنَ اللَّيْلِ فَاسْجُدْ لَهُ وَسَبِّحْهُ لَيْلًا طَوِيلًا يَا أَيُّهَا الْمُزَّمِّلُ قُمِ اللَّيْلَ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا ثلاثة يحبهم الله ويضحك إليهم ويستبشر بهم. My Nabi said 3 categories of people. Allah loves them, Allah smiles at them, Allah boasts about them. Who are they? Those who will leave those warm beds. Those who will leave those warm beds in the dead of night. Who will go on the musalla and cry before Allah. At that time when Allah is calling out, هَلْ مِنْ سَائِلٍ فَأُعْطِيَهُ سُؤْلًا هَلْ مِنْ تَائِبٍ فَأَتُوبَ إِلَيْهِ هَلْ مِنْ مُسْتَغْفِرٍ فَأَغْفِرَ لَهُ. Is there anyone that has a need that Allah may grant it to them? Do you want my forgiveness so that I may forgive you? Is there some plight you are facing that I may solve for you? Allah is calling out. This month is a trading. Some section of our night has to be given to Allah. Go on that musalla, shed those hot tears. Outwardly you look at somebody crying on the musalla late at night. Looks like the man is suffering. He's in grief, he's in sorrow. He's crying, he's sobbing. Wallah, my respected brothers. Wallah, by the qasam of my Allah. Go on that musalla late at night. Think of the shortness of this life. Think of the day when you have to stand in front of Allah. Think of a life of sins. Have the shauq for Jannah, the khawf for Jahannam. And then pour your heart out to Allah at that time, so that those hot tears start dropping down the cheeks. Outwardly to the onlooker, it may look like you are suffering, but by the qasam of my Allah, at that time, in the dead of night, Allah will give you that ecstasy and that enjoyment that nothing in this world can ever compare with. Ibrahim bin Adham rahimahullah used to say, Ahlul layli fi laylihim aladhu min ahlil laghwi fi laghwihim. The people of the night, the people of tahajjud salah, Allah will give them that lazzat and ecstasy that the people that are frequenting the dens of vice and haram will never experience. Lazzatul munajat, innaha laysat min ad-dunya, innaha min al-jannah, adharahu Allah ta'ala li awliyahi fi ad-dunya. This lazzat and ecstasy of connecting with Allah, it's not from this world. It is from Jannah. Allah sends it down into the world.